When you're trying to stay on top of things, it's important to use the right tools, the ones that work for you. And I think that's especially true if you're working from home or working with others, and you can't just leave things just on sticky notes. Hey? And that's especially true if you are working with other people. You want to have tools where you can all share where you are up to, and hopefully not just depending on text messages or phone calls or working out of your email inbox. Now, one tool that I know can be a big help is Miro, and you can check the link in the description if you want to find out more. It's really an online whiteboard which makes it easy for everybody to work on it together and to see where things are. Now, you can create a new board. I'm not a real designer, and so I'm not a great fan of doing it that way. I would rather work with something like a Kanban board. And so that allows you to keep track of where things are, if it's in a backlog or for the idea stage or if it's in progress or done. And of course, you can add more lists to your Kanban board. Now, another way that I like to work is a mind map. I find this is really good, especially if you're brainstorming. And as you can see, it's very easy to add new. What is it that we're doing? Why are we doing it? And then let me just hit the tab key and then put in the third one is how are we going to go about it. So this is a really simple way of sharing where you're up to and not just relying on conversations. So once again, the tool that I'm using here is Miro, and you'll find a link, it's an affiliate link in the description to this video.